Hi, I'm Theo, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a three-centered arch, also known as an elliptical arch or a basket handle arch. It's an elegant-looking arch that's designed to span wide openings. It's made from two side arcs on the left and right, spanned by a connecting arc on top. I'll show you how it's done. The first step is to determine the spring line. The spring line is the width of the space the arch is spanning. Below the spring line, the wall is vertical. Above the spring line is where the curve of the arch begins. In this example, we'll say the spring line is 8 inches. Let's sketch out an 8-inch arch. We'll begin by drawing the spring line. Next, mark out 4 equal sections. In this example, each section will be 2 inches. These 2 points are the center points for the 2 outer arcs. Draw 2 circles on the center points like this. A compass is useful for drawing nice circles. These outer quarter arcs of the circle are the arcs that will form the sides of the elliptical arch. For the next step, an architect or designer would use a tool called a trammel. I don't have one of those, and I'm guessing you probably don't either. Instead, you can use a string or a piece of cardboard cut to the appropriate size. Measure the distance between the 2 center points. From center point 1, swing an arc like this. Do the same for center point 2. The intersection of these 2 arcs is your third center point. With a ruler, draw a line from center point 3 through center point 1 to the edge of the outer arc. Where it meets the outer arc is called the tangent point. Do the same on the other side. The tangent points are where the larger outer arc meets the 2 smaller arcs. The last step is to draw in the top of the arch. A trammel really would be useful for this step, but again, you can use a string or a piece of cardboard cut to size. You could even just do it freehand if you want. So here's the finished arch. What I do next is trace this shape onto a piece of cardboard to make a template. Pizza box cardboard is perfect for this because it's easy to cut. Then I make a larger template for the entire arch opening. Here you can see I experimented with several different arch sizes. The next step is to trace the arch template onto your XPS foam panel. Then cut it out with a sharp snap-off blade knife. This is a semi-finished panel. I didn't use this one in my project because I didn't like the way it looked, but that's a whole nother story. So there you have it, the 3-centered elliptical arch. If you found this video useful, you might also like this other how-to video I made, where I walk through the steps from start to finish about how to make a nativity scene out of XPS foam. This other video shows you how to make realistic looking fake moss. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have fun with your own projects.